SYRS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the next 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Syros Pharmaceuticals, I see a very bearish market, in which case, you know, it's 9 cents. And before I get into it, Friday was actually such a great performance. I've done 37,000 videos, 5 figures on courses and mentors. And generally speaking, as I'm just looking and observing at Syros, it's one heck of a bearish market. That's one thing that I want to say. Because like even previously, if I come out here, you will see that I was so bearish in this market as well. Now, having made last video, which was made 12th of March, you know, at the time the price was sitting at 12 cents. It was 3 days ago, and we went from 12 down to 9, and I'm still generally very open-minded for more short side. Now, this is obviously not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And like even coming in here, had a video made beginning of the year as well when I was short selling, but that was when it was 24 cents, and we came such a low way, right? It's tough. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.